welcome back to a brand new video. So I've got some unboxings to do. One is from Chanel Beauty and then the other one is from the boutique. This is a pair of earrings that I thought were really pretty and some of you might like as well. This is a special limited edition set. It is the Les Exclusifs set, so I was informed that this was coming out, and the Chanel Beauty sales associate that I deal with sent me a photo and said that they're receiving a few, and if I was interested that they can keep one aside. So it comes wrapped like this, and it's super cute. So I thought I'd show you guys, because if some of you are in the market for this limited edition item, then you'd be interested to watch. With purchase, I was also able to get a poster. I don't know where I would display the poster, but it's a nice touch, so probably just keep it somewhere. But this is the box. It's not very huge. So basically this is a box of all of their miniatures of all the Les Exclusifs perfumes. And let us open it. Clean that up later. So this is the box, and so it has like a hinge closure, and then you open it, and then you open it like this. So right here you've got all of the Les Exclusifs collection, and I'll read out to you which ones are in there, and they're so small. These are 4 milliliter bottles that look like this. They're tiny. Now it's funny because these were formerly samples that sometimes you would get, and they come in like a little box. But I mean, it is the cuteness factor. Okay, so I'll get the retail price. I'll put in the retail price in the subtitle here because I can't recall off the top of my head, but I believe it was $4.75 Canadian. So these are all each 4 milliliters, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 plus a hair and body oil, which actually I don't have, so it would be nice to try this out. But you know, like, they're just so small that and cute that, you know, I would have to really like bring it upon myself to, like, you know, get the courage to use them. But I think they're really cool. I don't think they have a spray, so let's see, number 18 we're gonna open up. So it's not a spray, it's just like a regular bottle, so you'll have to like tap it out and dab it on. But you know, honestly, like, here's the thing. I was calculating how much product you're getting versus just buying like the smaller of the 2 bottles, because there's the really big bottle and the small bottle. Let me go get that for you. All right, so Les Exclusifs, the Eau de Parfum. So this is the larger bottle, and this is 200 mils, and I've got Jersey, and then this is 75 ml of the Coromandel. So we know that in fragrance world you will get a lot more product for your buck when you go with the bigger bottle, and when you go with the smaller bottle it's less product for the dollar that you spend. But you know, because of the cup, it's just how it works, right? Like, it's the bottle. So just comparing prices, so current pricing, like, I mean, obviously I bought these before, but they've gone up. I've just looked. So the 200 ml bottle is $515 Canadian plus tax, and then the 75 ml bottle, which I think is more than enough. I mean, this actually, I was intending to order this in the smaller bottle, but my sales associate sent me the larger bottle when she charged my order, so I was like, this is huge. But I actually prefer this size. because you only go through so much fragrance unless you absolutely love a fragrance and you know you're going to use it all the time. But if you've got a variety, then you don't need such huge bottles. But the 75 ml is $290 Canadian plus tax. And you know, if you compare, like, these are 4 milliliter bottles, so there are 18 fragrances plus 1 body oil, but let's just say 18 fragrances. Okay, so 18 times 4 mils, 72 mils of fragrance. So 475 divided by 72, like, it's like $6.60 per milliliter of fragrance, right? Versus, let's say, 515 divided by 200 is $2.57 per dollars per milliliter of fragrance. So the difference is stark. Like, you don't get a whole lot of product, right? Like, you get like 78 mils for $4.75 versus getting 200 mils for $5.15. So but you know, it is a nice display piece. It's definitely a nice gift to receive and to give. It closes just like so. This is paper, you know, it's nothing substantial, like, but it is paper. It's nice to kind of have on your vanity, to have a little display, and I think it's cute as a collector. I think if you really like something like this. Now with what you're looking at is you have La Pausa, you have Gardenia Beige, Belle Respiro Beige, number 22 Jersey Boy Sycamore, number 18 31 Rue Cambon 1932 Bois des Îles, and Missia 1957 Coromandel, Le Lion. You have a lot of them, right? So it is actually so stinking cute. Like, I'm glad I got this, right? But you know, just giving you an assessment of the cost per milliliter of product that you're getting. They're not spray bottles. I wish they did have a little spray in them, but I guess because they're so small, like, you're just kind of dabbing. But if you want to have an introduction into the Les Exclusifs line, because it's not cheap to buy a bottle of perfume, especially like this size. Like, it isn't cheap. So if you want, like, well, the thing is, like, they were samples formerly. Like, I mean, you could go to the beauty boutique and request samples. Like, you know, if you ever go in and you want to try a sample, sometimes they give you samples of the Les Exclusifs. So if you want to try, like, you can definitely do it that way. But you know, if you want to give yourself something a little bit more, then it's nice to have on your vanity. If you want to have a whole set and then play with it, you get a little bit more product than like the tiny samples. But just letting you know, these used to be sample size years ago, and apparently this set was available before, over a number of different years, obviously for a cheaper price point, and as we know, everything is going up. But this is what it looks like. And you know, if any of you have, you know, looked in the boutique, you know, it was available May 1st for purchase. And you know, it's not very big. Like, I mean, if you look at my phone, yeah, literally, this is an iPhone 12 Pro, not a Max. So it's like literally double, almost double the length of the iPhone height wise, right? So you can fit 2 iPhones going across if you want to get an idea of the size. So got some nice branding, and on the back, it has all of the fragrances listed there. Of course, the carton is recyclable, but I mean, we're all gonna probably keep it as a keepsake. So there is that, and then I'll show you, how does this go? Oh, this just kind of lays on top, I think, or like this. How does this go? There we go. And I did get some samples. So let's go, we're going to appreciate samples because it's nice when they give you something to try. So let's go with these little bottles here. I like to keep these for travel. So this is the Sublimage L'Essence. This is the Ultimate Redefining Concentrate. And then I also got the, Sublimage L'Huile en Gel. So I really like this product. Let me show you. So I actually go through these a lot. Highly recommend this product. So Sublimage L'Huile en Gel de Démaquillage, and this is, yeah, so it's basically Ultimate Comfort and Radiance Revealing Gel to Oil Cleanser. This is really good. So it goes on like a gel, like an oil, almost like a gel oil. So don't wet your face, don't wet your hands. Take a dollop of it when you're wearing makeup, or even not wearing makeup, right? Just like massage it into the skin. It'll dissolve all makeup, any grime, anything. It really gets off like the mascara, eyeliner, all of that. So you really like rub it in, and then you just take your warm water and you wash it off, and it turns into like a milk, and it leaves your skin really, really soft and hydrated. So I really do like this. I do stock up on this, and it's really great for travel. Like I even traveled with this, but the fact that I got like a miniature size, this is actually really nice because, like, you know, if I'm going for like a very short trip and I don't want to take this, although I mean one sample container may not be enough, but you know, it's nice that they have this, so that's really great. And then what else did I get? So I've got a lipstick sample, so the Rouge à Lèvres Velvet. And these are some colors that I've got, so I can try that on. So 2 samples of the Sublimage Le Crème Lumière. So I really do like this as a day cream. And this is different. Sublimage L'Extrait. So, oh, it's like an oil. So an intensive repair oil concentrate. So I could try that. Actually, do I have this? No, I have the L'Extrait de Nuit, I think, as that. But anyway, so I've got 2 different types of mini mascaras. These are also nice to keep in your purse or for travel. So those are really good. All right, so let's put these aside, and okay, now that everything's aside, let's take a look at the poster they gave. So I'm gonna try not to ruin this, but I think I will. How am I supposed to open? So where I'm gonna put this, I don't know. I don't think I'll have this on display anywhere in my home, but it's nice that they gave us a poster, right? So you've got, oh my gosh, 1932, and on the back you have all of the Les Exclusifs fragrances. So if you're like a fragrance fanatic, you know, and you have like a dressing room, I can see how somebody would want to have this on display. I don't have any place to display this, so I will put it away in back in its packaging and hoard it like I hoard other packaging. Okay, on to the next little purchase that I got. This, I was in boutique and I saw these. I didn't see these when the spring summer 2022 collection came out. Camellia fell off, but it's costume jewelry, as I said. It's a pair of earrings, and they're really pretty. Like they're dangle earrings, and I just wanted to show you what they look like. So here, I'm not wearing any earrings, so I can put them on for you guys. But this is what they look like. So they're very sparkly. They're all silver in color, but then the CC logo in the middle is actually gold. And I'll try to take like a close-up shot for you guys as well, so you can see like the detail. But it is really pretty. Like they're little hearts, and then the hearts make like a clover. And these are statement, but not super, like you could wear them during the day. So again, like all of my costume jewelry is mostly gold. So I was looking for silver piece. Now I did get a silver statement earring from the spring summer 2023, gosh, not 2022 collection. And those are more evening, but this is how they look. And they're very, very pretty, very sparkly for sure. So definitely something that you can wear during the day. Those are really pretty. I really, really do like these, because sometimes you do have events and you don't want to wear something too heavy, but something that looks special enough. And now this particular style, it does come with the stud only, and it comes, yeah, there it is. That's a close-up shot. So there is a style where it's just the stud, it doesn't have the dangly bit, so that's also nice if anybody is looking for more of a stud type of earring. Okay, so that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time. Bye.